In today's video, I will walk you through how to download data from Yahoo Finance. To begin, look toward the top area of the page and locate either My Portfolio or your watch list. The process works the same way for both options, so you can choose whichever contains the data you want to export. Click on the specific portfolio or watch list that you want to work with. This will open the selected list and display the information associated with it. Once the portfolio or watch list is open, look near the top section of the page. You should see an icon positioned close to the eye icon. This icon resembles a download button. Click on that download style icon to open the available export options. After selecting it, look for the option labeled Download Portfolio and click it. At this point, Yahoo Finance provides options for exporting the information. You may see the ability to print the portfolio or save it as a CSV file. If you want a printed copy, choose the Print option. A new page will appear showing a print preview of the portfolio. Review the information displayed on the screen, and then select the Print option if you want to send the document to a printer. If your goal is to save the data for use in spreadsheet software, choose the option to save the portfolio as a CSV file instead. This option creates a file that can be stored on your computer. After selecting the CSV option, Yahoo Finance will prepare the file for download. Once the download begins, the portfolio data will be saved to your computer as a CSV file. Wait for the download to finish completely. When it is finished, locate the downloaded file on your computer. The file name may appear as portfolio.csv or something similar, depending on your browser. And download settings. After finding the file, you can open it using spreadsheet software that supports CSV files. Select the file and open it with the application you prefer for viewing and working with spreadsheet data. The portfolio information from Yahoo Finance will then be available inside the CSV file, allowing you to view the exported data directly from your computer. If you need data from a different portfolio or watch list, return to Yahoo Finance, open another list, and repeat the same process using the download icon and the download portfolio option. That's all there is to it. Access your Yahoo Finance account, open the portfolio or watch list you want, select the download icon, choose Download Portfolio, and then save the information as a CSV file or print it. Once the file is downloaded, you can open it using any application that supports CSV files and work with your exported data. Thank you for watching.